I go on 5.
Have you?
You haven't. Whoa! Don't you actually... Shh, shh. Have you caught one?
Shh, I think, look at the rod. Look at the rod.
Fucking hell.
Whoa! It's a big one.
Reel him in, reel him in.
I'm trying.
Taunt it.
Look.
Come on, you
Reel him
can
in,
get
reel him in.
Why can't you just leave fishing out? I want to go back to my habitat.
You're not going anywhere, Sunshine. It's going to pull me in.
I almost got away.
It's going to break the line. Oh, my God. He's massive.
Pull it, Dave.
I can't.
Fuck. Yes!
Got away. Shit. No, he didn't come out.
Oh, you shit! Where are you carrying that rod?